when we come to alarm system, whether it's hardwired or wireless, we cannot compromise. We must have tip-top high-level security. Okay, why I say that? Because we want to stop thief or burglar to ransack your house, right? So when we are going to overseas, probably need to go for vacation, 1 week, 2 weeks, or probably 3 weeks, or even longer. But whether you are comfortable or not, because nobody at home, and somebody might come in. That's why we will check the alarm system whether it's good condition before you leave the country. Okay, let me do. We got three method of checking. One is daily checking. Daily checking is every day they will check for you. As long got any issue, they will notify you through the notification. So simple. Number two, we can do the walk test. Walk test is we walking and test the device. If the device is in good condition, it will come out a spot sound. Okay, the third one, we can check the coverage. Come, let me show it to you. This is the wireless coverage. They will let you know. Okay, show it to you. Okay, home management. As I go in, I check the coverage. They will go through and scan and will let you know. If anything happen, they will show it to you. Okay, this one I purposely make this is because this battery low to show it to you when they are filmed. Okay, you can see success. Okay, they're going through all the devices. They will inform you everything whether it's in good condition or not. You can see. Okay, everything in good condition, right? Success. So many devices. Okay, you see, PL battery low. This is one I purposely put here. Is because the battery is low. So you know this condition, the battery is low, you can change. But this is intentionally I do it for you. Okay, now we can do another. It's called walk test. Let me show it to you. Walk test I enable. I open the door. Okay, hear the spot sound from the siren. So it's good condition. Okay, this one also. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, all this is good condition. So we check this door. Okay, simple. We open and close. Walking and testing. That's why they call walk test. Okay, good condition. Let us proceed to here. Open and close. Okay, now I open and close. Open. You hear the sound? Okay, good. Now we proceed to this room. Okay, we close and open. Okay. Open. Okay, can you hear the sound? Okay, now it's confirmed everything in working condition. Okay, here. We proceed to here. We open and close the door. See whether you can hear the spot sound. Okay, in good condition. So now we proceed to here. See whether you can hear. Okay. Yes, you can hear the sound. One more time. Can you hear the sound? The sound. The squat sound. So now we proceed to the furthest endpoint. This is last one I'm going to hear to do because it's quite far. I worry you cannot hear, but it's okay. We will try. Okay, we will try and see whether in good condition. But just now we go through the coverage, the wireless coverage, all is successful. So this is another method to try. Okay, listen properly. Must be quiet because very far the train distance. Yeah, you can hear the sound. Okay, one last time, I can hear the sound. Yes, you can hear the sound. So basically, this walk test is you walk and test and you can hear the squat sound, meaning all the devices is in good condition. So you can leave the country with peaceful mind. Thank you. Bye-bye.